Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update for Thursday 21 of April. Now I do have one question for SLP. Is the bottom in? Is the bottom in, guys? It seems like the bottom is already set in and we are not looking to dump any way more further to the downside. Yes, the technical target, of this 146 was a pending target, but I think this might be the end of the correction for SLP. Who knows? Make a nice good double bottom from here and then boom, start to reverse to the upside. So we're gonna see how these patterns are going to be playing out in the future as well. So yeah, we did still have a flag which we're not breaking out of, but there's a chance that you actually do break out of the flag, and the reason why is there's a potential double bottom right now printing in for SLP. So I just removed this resistance line over here. You can see that boom, you have one bottom right here and the second bottom right there, and this candlesticks combined are known as morning star. So this morning star stop loss actually comes down to the 153. So if you start to take out the 153, that would be bad. Okay, so that would be really negative for SLP to ever go to the downside. And just for educational purposes, I'm just gonna put it down here to the 153, because this should be a main stop loss. Okay, if it ever comes down like to this last week down here, it's gonna go further down, which also means that you're taking out this low right over here. You haven't taken out yet, you didn't take it out yet. All you did is a stop loss hunt to go to the upside. Okay, something does tell me that SLP can actually start to pump to the 200 levels, but I think guessing is not enough. Let's just take what could be the next technical target if you're actually bottoming out here. So right now it seems like 179 is going to be a huge line of resistance, but if it was to go up, I think 0.0197 is going to be your next near technical target. Possible targets that I do believe can happen because of how Bitcoin is behaving right now. Do watch the Bitcoin update today, and it's going to tell you a lot about the coins coming up. We are going to be following Bitcoin along the way. So yeah, last time we talked about Bitcoin having this symmetrical triangle, which was bearish, meant to go to the downside. The next candle actually saved the day, went to the upside, and now we are back to continue potentially to go to the $44,000. Okay, so there are no reasons for SLP to even dump at the same time. And yes, this one, things like flags, they can be invalidated, but to be honest with you, until now it's just not invalidated just yet. Okay, but all you're doing right now for SLP is you're moving sideways, potentially catch a little bit of a pump to the upside, which can be 197. Who knows, you can even go to 230. Okay, you can even go to this trend line and to find resistance at that trend line. Who knows, you can actually do something like that. But anything, the near possible target for me, even if it was to happen, was 197, something that's just a little bit believable right now. Okay, and that's it for today's SLP update. One more thing though, I just want to watch the weekly. Yeah, the weekly is kind of good. Okay, you are making a doji on the weekly, so you do have the chances to reverse a little bit by next week as well. Go to maybe 183, 180 region, and then from here you start to pick to the upside, and who knows, bottom out completely. You can see that this could just be a nice beautiful double bottom, and then from here you actually go to the upside, right? So let's see what happens, guys. That's the weekly. We do have 3 more days to actually close the weekly. Even if you try to close the weekly at the 179 by Monday, Sunday, that would be good. Okay, that would be still a nice good bullish candlestick statement from SLP. I would like to take another entry with SLP then, if it does go to 179 and close up at the 180, 179 by the end of this week as well. And yep, if you want to learn trading more about trading, then do check out my trading course. To pay with 29 bucks, come into the Discord and message me in the Discord by clicking on the announcement tabs, and you can pay 29 bucks with crypto. So do watch all the details, the outline that you're about to learn in the course. Okay, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.